Okay, so good evening, everyone. So welcome to my presentation, and I'm going to tell you about climate change. Yeah, yes. Uh-oh. And so climate change causes droughts and storms. Is oh my God. It's also caused ice caps melting and oh my God. And it's caused too much waste on our earth too. And so drought and storms, drought and storms cause farmers losing their jobs because when drought happens, well, the crops get dried, so they can't sell off their crop, so they will lose their jobs and dry out of a lot of places too, of course. And while ice caps melting will cause sea level rising. And when sea level rising, there will be drowned places or cities, I don't know. And they will also cause extinct animals like polar bears that live somewhere in the Arctic that have ice. And if the ice melts, they won't have any place to live on. You know, the ice melts. And waste will cause a bad smell, and it will also cause water pollution, air pollution, and dirt pollution. It's awful. And there's a fact about it is that a lot of scientists say that it will be a lot of drowned beautiful cities in the future, and one of them is New York. It's terrible, I know, and I hate it. And the next thing I'm going to tell you about is deforestation. And deforestation causes less oxygen to produce, less CO2 is removed, and it's also cause destroying animals, environment, and it's also make losing medicines that make of the plants live in the forest that is being destroyed. And if it causes less oxygen and less CO2, then it's bad for both humans and animals' health, and there will be temperature rising. And about the next cause is that this one will also cause extinct animals and difficult for trees. Why difficult for trees to grow is that because when extinct animals grow, there won't be any animals to die. And when animals die, their bodies will turn into some kind of dust that is surface of the ground, and with that dirt, the trees grow from that dirt, and without that dirt, it will be difficult those trees. And losing medicine will cause unable to cure some diseases, and people losing jobs. So mostly of the people that is losing their jobs are nurses and doctors because they can't sell the medicine that is made of plants that live in the forest that are being destroyed. And they won't be able to cure that disease that needs the medicine that made of plants of the forest that is being destroyed. And there's a fact about it is that sometimes scientists again think that the rainforest will be gone in the 77 years time. And there are solutions for it, I think. And so for the deforestation, we can plant trees. We can plant trees, recycle, because when we recycle paper, it won't be a lot of paper to be waste. And the paper is mostly made of wood. And that wood is of course taken from the trees, and we cut down trees to make that paper. And if we don't waste the paper, that paper is made of wood will be a lot of trees to be cut down. And erase paper, of course, just like this. And for global warming, we can recycle also too, and restore energy, and we can go on foot or ride a bike. Because when we go on foot or ride a bike, there won't be a lot of carbon dioxide to be released. And when we ride a bicycle or a car, it will release some kind of gas that's bad for our health. So we should go on foot or ride a bike instead of going cars, bicycles, and we can afforestation. And afforestation here is mean planting trees, because planting trees make world warmer, and it's the opposite of global warming. So thank you for listening.